बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. And I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is Denim Jeans Recycling Craft Ideas. These are very amazing, very unique and very latest and very beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. And I hope so these are super amazing, super unique and most beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. And I hope so you like these denim jeans recycling craft ideas. If you want different kind of craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section, and I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very beautiful and very unique and elegant DIY recycling craft ideas for you guys. These are super amazing, super unique and very latest ideas for you guys. So viewers, you must try these craft work at home, and you don't know about how to make these type of recycling your old jeans, then you must watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of craft work. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Follow for more details. Keep subscribing my channel. Keep watching my videos. These are best, amazing and unique craft work for you guys. So hope so you like this video. And you must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video. Always take care, guys. Always be happy. These are very beautiful and very amazing denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Always think positive. Always be positive. And remember me in your prayers. These are very stunning ideas for you guys. And enjoy your life and keep me in your prayers. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz, guys.